Supply chain management definition. Supply chain management is the management of the flow of goods and services and includes all processes that transform raw material into final product. It involves the active streamlining of business supply side activities to maximize customer value and gain a competitive advantage in the marketplace. What is the supply chain? Also referred to as a logistic network, supplier, manufacturer, warehouses, distribution center, and retail outlet facilities, and the raw materials, work in progress, inventory, finished product that flow between the facilities. This is the main scenario of a supply chain where manufacturer, supplier, data warehouse, and distribution center and customer are the main component of supply chain management. And the cost of material, transport, manufacturing, transportation, inventory, etc. is the main cost. Supply chain management, another thing, the flow is between plan, source, make, deliver, and bulk. It is the main source of the supply chain management. What is supply chain management? SCM, a set of approaches used to efficiently integrate supplier, manufacturer, warehouses, distribution center so that the product is produced and distributed in the right quantities to the right location and the right time. System-wide costs are minimized and service levels requirements are satisfied. Now, what is the history of supply chain management and SCM? In 1960, inventory management focused cost control is introduced. In 1970, MRP and boom technology in operational planning is introduced. In 1980, MRP2 and JIT, just-in-time material management logistics, is introduced. In 1990, SCM or supply chain management, ERP, enterprise resource planning, integrated purchasing, financial, manufacturing, etc. are introduced in the world. And 2000 onward, optimize the value network with real-time decision support, synchronized and collaborative extended network was introduced. Component of supply chain management, procurement, processing, and distribution. It is the main three components of supply chain management. Supply chain management objective and supply chain management outcome. There is a pyramid in bottom to top, execution, operational, tactical, and strategic. Its four are main portion of supply chain management. In the execution part, supply chain management objective are to build and transport. In operational part, when and where, schedule, monitor and control and adjust production. In tactical part, how much, deploy resources to match supply with demand. And in the strategic part, what, establish policy, objective and operating footprint. And in the outcome part, in execution portion, order circle, material movement, operational, work center scheduling, order and inventory tracking. In tactical part, demand forecast, production, procurement and logistic plan, inventory target. And in the strategic part, Supply chain management outcomes are objectives, supply policies, service level, and network design. So it is the objective and outcome of supply chain management. Uh, Business value goal, rapid demand fulfillment, collaborative supply chain planning and execution goes to the customer value goals, give customer what they want, when and how they want it, and low cost. Enterprise coordination of manufacturing and business process, effective distribution system, responsive and accountability to customer. It is the main objective of supply chain management. Why supply chain management is difficult? The main reason in difficulty in supply chain management is uncertainty is inherent to every supply chain. Travel time, breakdown of machine and vehicles, weather, natural calamities and wear, local politics, labor condition and border issue. The complexity of problem to globally optimize a supply chain is significant. Minimize internal cost, minimize uncertainty, deal with remaining uncertainty. The importance of supply chain management, the shorter product life cycle of high technology product, less opportunity to accumulate historical data on customer demand, wide choice of competing product make it difficult to predict demand. The growth of technologies such as the internet enable greater collaboration between supply chain trading partners. If you do it, your competitor will. Major buyers such as Walmart demand a level of supply chain maturity of its supplier. Availability of supply chain management technology on the market. Firms have access to multiple products, example SAP, Band, Oracle, JT Edward, with which to integrate internal processes. Today, marketplace require personalized content and services for their customer, collaborative planning with design pattern, distributor and supplier, real-time commitment for design, production, inventory, and transportation capacity, flexible logistic option to ensure timely fulfillment, order tracking and reporting across multiple vendor and carrier. The main requirement is share a visibility for trading partner. Forecasts are never right, very unlikely that actual demand will exactly equal forecast demand. The longer the forecast horizon, the worse the forecast. A forecast for a year from now will never be as accurate as a forecast for 3 months from now. Aggregate forecasts are more accurate. A demand forecast for all CV will be more accurate than forecast of specific CV related product. Nevertheless, forecast or plan, if you prefer, are important management tools when some methods are applied to reduce uncertainties. Supply chain management key issue, overcoming functional hazard with conflicting goal. Uh, First part is purchasing source, low purchase price, multiple vendor, manufacturing, few change over, stable schedule, long run length, distribution, low inventories, low transportation, customer service and sale, high inventory, high service level, regional stock. So it is the main goal of supply chain management. Source, make, deliver and sell. It is the main core part of supply chain management. Supply chain management issue and consideration, network planning, warehouse location and capacities, plant location, transportation flow, inventory control. How should inventory be managed? Why does inventory fluctuate? Supply contract, impact of volume of discount, revenue share, distribution strategy, selection of distribution strategy, integration and strategic partnering. How are integration with partner be achieved? What level of integration is best? Outsourcing and procurement strategy. What are our core supply chain capability? Product design. How are inventory holding and transportation costs affected by product design? Supply chain management operational strategy, make a stock, when to choose, standardized product, relatively predictable demand, benefit, low manufacturing cost, meet customer demand quickly, make to order, customized product, many variation, benefit, customization, reduce inventory, improve service level, configure to order, many variation on finished product, infrequent demand, benefit, low inventory level, wide range of product offering, engineer to order, complex product, unique customer specification, benefit, enable response to specific customer requirements.